In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Evernote notebooks into stacks. If you've been using Evernote for a while, you probably have a lot of notebooks. Over time, those can start to feel cluttered and hard to navigate. That's where stacks come in. A stack is simply a group of notebooks that are related to each other. For example, you might have a work stack, a personal stack, or a school stack, each containing multiple notebooks that fit under that theme. Let's walk through how to do this step by step in the Evernote web client. First, make sure you're logged into your Evernote account in your browser. Once you're in, look for the notebook section. This is usually found in the sidebar on the left. Go ahead and click on Notebooks. This will open a page that shows all of the notebooks in your account in one place so you can decide how you want to group them. Now find the notebook you want to add to a stack. You might start with a notebook that clearly belongs to a certain area of your life, like projects, finances, or travel. When you hover over that notebook or look to the right-hand side of it, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small menu of actions you can take on that notebook. In that menu, you'll see an option called Add to Stack. Go ahead and click on Add to Stack. At this point, Evernote will usually give you a couple of choices. If you already have stacks created, you can choose an existing stack from the list, and your notebook will be placed inside it. If you don't have any stacks yet, you'll see an option to create a new stack. Choose that, give the stack a clear and meaningful name, and confirm. Once that's done, your notebook will now live inside that stack. You can repeat this same process for other notebooks that belong in the same group, clicking on Notebooks, opening the 3-dot menu next to each notebook, and selecting Add to Stack.